Hey everybody, Dr. Dex Alvarez here. Good morning. And today I wanted to just really quickly kind of go over some quick supplements and some tips to keep yourself healthy. Now with the flu season here, a lot of patients have been coming in with these flu-like symptoms, so the body aches, headaches, congestion, and a lot of it's been turning into bronchitis and getting into patients' chest. So when we're seeing our patients early on in this is the best time to get you to start upping a lot of your supplements to increase your immune function. So some of the big ones, first and foremost, is going to be vitamin D. Vitamin D is the one vitamin in your body that functions as a hormone. It regulates over 10,000 different genes and has a lot to do with how your immune system is actually functioning. So vitamin D should always be a big one. And you should be taking anywhere between 5,000 IUs to 10,000 IUs a day as you're not feeling well. That 10,000 IUs, I know it sounds like a lot, but 10,000 IUs is only 0.25 milligrams. So it's only a quarter of a milligram, and it's going to do a lot for helping you increase that immune function. Along with the vitamin D, you should always be taking some zinc as well if you're feeling like you're trying to get that cold. Zinc is a fantastic supplement. For men, you want to stick around between 10 and 12 milligrams. Women, right around 8 to 10 milligrams a day of zinc. And especially if you can get it in a lozenge type form, bacteria has a very difficult time adhering whenever zinc is around. So that's how zinc lozenges work really well, especially if you're starting to feel like a little bit of a tickle in the back of your throat. If you can coat the back of your throat with that zinc from a lozenge, that bacteria is going to slough right off, die in your stomach acid. You're going to prevent yourself from getting any type of a bacterial infection. One last one too is you always want to keep your inflammation down. Your body always creates an inflammatory reaction as it starts to feel sick or starts to fight something. So omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are great. So 2 to 4 grams a day of fish oil is always a really good idea. And then vitamin C. Vitamin C is fantastic at upping that immune system. So you can take, again, anywhere between 2 and 4 grams of vitamin C a day. You might want to start off more on the 2 side instead of the 4 side and work your way up, because too much vitamin C can kind of work a little bit as a laxative also, so be careful. Start with that 2 grams, and if you feel like you can work yourself up to the 4 grams, by all means, get that immune system functioning as high as you can. Now, if you have any medications that you're on or anything like that, please always consult the doctor who is prescribing any of that, making sure there's no drug interactions. Very little with the vitamin D, vitamin C, fish oil. Zinc can have a little bit of an issue if you're on an antibiotic, so make sure you're asking. But those are some great supplements to make sure you're increasing your immune function, really helping yourself from not getting sick, or if you're feeling a little under the weather, a good way of expediting that cold. Push a ton of fluids and always get adjusted. Adjustments of that upper part of your neck have been shown through research to increase your immune function by up to 75%. So that should always be added to the regimen also. As chiropractors, we love having you guys in the office, even when you're not feeling well. It's our job to keep you well and to make sure that if you are getting sick, we're expediting that cold and you're getting well as fast as possible. So don't feel bad, pop in, get your adjustment. It's gonna help along with all these supplements. So hope you have a great rest of the day. Hope this answers some questions. Take care.